Welcome to Cozumel Airport. This is the exit after you've bought tickets for the shuttle services. You will come through this area here. Across are the shuttle services Flex and Coz Shuttle. They're sedans as well as vans. So you can choose private or you can choose collective. Once you've gotten your ticket, follow the line outside and go to this area of the shuttles. If you choose not to do the shuttle, both the Coz Shuttle and the Flex Shuttle from the airport, then proceed along this sidewalk past this entrance and across the street from this roundabout is the area that you can pick up the normal taxis. Those are the red and white taxis. So you would walk this way. It's about 2 big city blocks. Walk behind this Fiesta area, and there you will see other passengers that have come out here to pick up these other taxis that are available for you, organized there by line and per taxi, not per person. So the big difference on these shuttles from the airport and the taxis here, the shuttles that are from the airport that you buy tickets for are the individuals. Now I'll go back around. The taxis from Diego's are per taxi. So they're all lined up here across from the airport. And those are the fares 1, 2, 5, 8, whatever per destination, not per person. Of course, the fare is determined on how many people you have, but it's different than the shuttles, which are, that's one, wow. However, let me explain too, that any taxi can drop you off at the airport. Any red and white taxi from your resort, from anywhere you're staying in Cozumel could drop off. What I'm speaking about is the shuttles and the transportation that's leaving from the airport. This is where they are. And again, a roundabout from the airport. So any taxi can drop you off. You can get rental cars from the airport, or you can get them from Diego's. We'll have a meetup spot there as well. So if you have any questions, like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, send me a message. I'll be happy to answer it for you. Specific to Cozumel International Airport transportation.